Many parents come to my clinic saying that their baby is not giving up bottle. My response as a clinician is, when did I recommend bottle to the baby? Because no pediatrician ever recommends bottle feeding. Breastfeeding is the best form of nutrition to the baby. And for some reason it is not working, then Katori Chammach is preferred compared to bottle. Coming to why Katori Chammach is preferred compared to bottle. Katori Chammach reduces risk of infection compared to bottle because rubber nipple often traps germs. Lower risk of ear infection caused by suction feeding. There can be nipple confusion in babies who are being fed by bottle. Because actually what happens that parents don't give completely top feeding. Generally they give breastfeeding first and then they switch to top feeding if baby is still hungry. If they are giving by bottle, the baby may have confusion about the nipple. Controlled feeding encourages controlled slow feeding. Coming to, in spite of pediatricians recommending Katori Chammach, why majority of parents generally prefer bottle feeding compared to Katori Chammach feeding? Because generally babies are born with a sucking reflex. Bottle feeding is compatible with sucking reflex of the baby. It comes easily and comfortably in baby's mouth, giving much better satiety. Now coming back to the original topic, the baby is taking milk by bottle and we cannot go on and on with bottle feeding. We need to switch from bottle to glass feeding. What is the correct timing of this switch? The correct timing is 1.5 years to 2.5 years. If we try to switch after this time, baby becomes more rigid and it becomes very difficult. One tip is that never try to replace bottle with sipper because getting rid of sipper is another task. And what are the other drawbacks if we don't switch at this time? After 2 years, it is not recommended to give baby more than 500 ml milk in whole day. That means 2 glasses of milk, one morning, one evening. Because if we give more milk, 95% of it contains water and baby's nutritional requirements are not met. Although baby starts feeling satiety, that results in baby taking less solid food and making him nutritionally deficient. The iron absorption also reduces because baby starts taking more milk. Because milk interferes with absorption of iron, making the child anemic. Bottle fed child, the bottle at times acts as pacifier. Many parents give bottle at the time of sleeping and immediately after waking up. So more and more milk goes into the stomach compared to the requirement. If child sleeps while putting into the bottle into the mouth, child might develop cavities because of high sugar content of milk. So how to start the process? You have to plan beforehand and stop using bottle as pacifier. Last feed at least 1 hour before going to bed. Develop the habit of going to bed by reading bedtime stories, favorite music or rhymes of the baby, because then the bottle will stop acting as a pacifier. And get beautiful colored cups and glasses in the house. Develop the habit of giving all the liquids apart from milk like juice and water by cup or glass. To start food only once the child takes reasonable amount of solid food, because child will take less amount of food after stopping bottle. Because sometimes what happens that child stops taking milk altogether after stopping bottle. It happens sometimes that child might reduce the intake of milk. That is not the point to worry because child will resume taking milk after some time. What I feel is that the best way is to fabricate some stories and that bottle has been destroyed. Either the bottles are stolen or lost and difficult to get it again. Make sure that child doesn't see bottle after you make up this story. Never try to taper bottle feed because it doesn't work. Buy some time from child by fabricating some stories again that I have ordered online and it will take some time to come. Expect some resistance, it is normal. Don't give in to the resistance and handle it calmly. Use positive reinforcement. Teach the child when they use cup or glass. And that only grown-up people use cup and glass and you are a grown-up child now. Children love this very much. Watch for comfort needs. Sometimes use of bottle is more soothing than hunger. Other alternatives are hugs, favorite toys, quality time together. Might be more soothing than bottle. I have told you everything I thought I should be telling about how to stop bottle feeding in a child. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon.